I'm at Kauai, Lihue Airport, and I'm going to show you how I depart from Kauai, Lihue Airport. This is an airport tour, so strap up and let's walk through the airport. So I just arrived to Kauai, Lihue Airport. You can see there's some people there, not too many, and there's not really much of a wait at the airport. I go and check in, and then you get past security. And once you get past security, you have to get something to eat. Not much to find for things to eat at Kauai Airport. So I sometimes go to some of the convenience stores in order to get something to eat, or a newsstand to get some water. It's very barren in here. Not much going on because this isn't a major airport, but it is the major airport in Kauai. You can see that there's a Starbucks for those of you who need a caffeine fix. And to find where your gate is, all you have to do is look at the signs at the top. There goes the Starbucks. I've already had a couple of cups of coffee, so I'm gonna pass. There is a bar and grill there, so you can get perhaps a burger and a beer while you're waiting for your plane to fly away from paradise. And I wonder, why would you want to fly away from paradise? But hey, you make your own decisions. There are screens throughout the airport to let you know which gate your plane is departing from, as well as when it's boarding. And here goes, it looks like some sort of cafeteria area, and indeed it is a cafe. Walk in and get food. Now, this isn't going to be like some of your larger airports in major cities where you have unlimited amount of places. So this right here, welcome to Kauai sign right here going on. And nice, there goes a plane. And I think that's my plane that I'm beginning on. Maybe it's not. When you're walking through, you'll see that it is open air airport where, in fact, you can get open air. People are relaxing, not looking too eager to leave Kauai, but you have to leave sometime. Or maybe you don't. Maybe you just stay and enjoy Kauai a little bit more. Forget that you have a job and a life somewhere else. The one thing that you'll notice about the Kauai airport is that there's not a huge sense of rush to get anywhere. And I don't see why. Why would there be any rush to get away from Kauai? Along the walls of hallways, you'll see things such as Hawaiians, hula dancers, and more things Hawaii, things that kind of make you feel bad about leaving. But you have to go home at some point, right? Or maybe you don't. So I'm going to keep on walking through here to get to my gate. As you can see, there's not really much inside of the airport outside of the few restaurants that you saw and people slowly walking to their gates. Some say that this is a very beautiful airport because it's very simple, very Hawaiian, for that matter. Not a lot of bells and whistles, just images of Hawaiian things. I didn't know what to say, so I got stumped for a little bit. But outside of the few restaurants that you saw, there's not much more to see inside of the Hawaiian airport. I don't know why you would want to see anything inside of the airport, because everything that you want is outside of the airport. And I've arrived to my gate. People are sitting, not too excited about leaving. And this is what it looks like to depart from Kauai Airport, International Airport. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.